blah, 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 blah. Link. What do I want to say? Boo, 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 boo. Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you again with another video. Today we are working again with soil conditioning, this time for the strawberry bed. The strawberry bed has been underperforming for the last couple of years. It's only produced nice little small strawberries. They're delicious, but they're small. Most of the big ones, the snails get to it. I've tried different varieties, and then I just thought it had to be the soil. So that's why when I did the rest of the beds, I did the strawberry bed as well. Today we're going to get to that. Speaking of the other soil video, I'll tag it right here. Today is a beautiful day in northern Germany, and it is starting to get that feeling that it is time to go outside. Spring is starting to sprung. But that's actually one of those things where northern German weather kind of gets you. It seems like it's really nice. You're like, oh my gosh, is it really the end of February and I'm wearing a t-shirt outside? Yes, it is. But it's going to come and it's going to smack you again in March. Usually April as well. And then it goes down to some rainy time in May to a late start for summer. But that's beside the point. So I hope you enjoyed the time-lapse video of some work in the garden, as well as the music that goes with it. And I'll see you in a little bit at the end of this video. I always, and I do mean it, I love it when you get to the end. Thanks for getting to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for your support. Thanks for the sun. Thanks for the good days. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you again next time.